Hey, my Legion, how you all doing today? I'm back today to get something I got from the golf convenience store gas station. This was a Nature Valley bar, trail bar, and the fruit and nut. It's 50 cents. So you got in there. You probably got cranberries and all raisins in there. Only 50 cents, that's a good deal. And like the third time we stopped there, and I just check out snacks. John's getting gas, I check out snacks. They have Broman sandwiches there. Maybe we'll get some for Broman's again, I don't know. That was okay. Leave it out. 6.75 out of 10. So I hope you liked the video. Bye. Till next time, please. Take care, my Legion.